Our Beginner's Guide to Excel. Hello everyone, and welcome to Beyond Bright YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of Microsoft Excel and learn the basics of this powerful spreadsheet software. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your Excel skills, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about what Excel is all about. Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to organize, analyze, and manipulate data efficiently. It offers a wide range of features and functions that make it a valuable tool for various tasks, such as creating budgets, managing inventory, and performing complex calculations. To begin using Excel, you'll need to open the program. Once it's open, you'll be greeted with a blank workbook, which is like a digital sheet of paper. You can start entering your data right away. Let's take a quick tour of the Excel interface. At the top, you'll find the ribbon, which houses different tabs containing various commands and tools. The main area is the worksheet grid, consisting of columns labeled with letters and rows labeled with numbers. This is where you'll input and manipulate your data.
To enter data into a cell, simply click on the desired cell and start typing. You can enter numbers, text, or a combination of both. Pressing Enter or Tab will move you to the next cell below or to the right. If you need to edit a cell, just double-click on it and make the changes. Formatting is crucial for presenting your data in a clear and organized manner. You can format cells to change the font, size, color, alignment, and more. Select the cells you want to format, go to the Home tab, and choose from the various formatting options available. One of Excel's most powerful features is its ability to perform calculations using formulas and functions. Formulas allow you to create calculations using operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Functions, on the other hand, are pre-built formulas that perform specific tasks, such as sum, average, and count. You can find a wide range of functions in the Formulas tab. Excel makes it easy to visualize your data using charts and graphs. Select the data you want to represent graphically, click on the Insert tab, and choose the chart type that suits your needs. You can customize the chart's appearance and labeling options to create compelling visual representations of your data. That wraps up our beginner's guide to Excel. We've covered the basics of getting started, navigating the interface, entering data, formatting cells, using formulas and functions, and creating charts. Remember, practice is key to becoming proficient in Excel. So, I encourage you to explore the program further, experiment with different features, and continue learning. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Excel tutorials and other tech-related content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching,